Let's take a look at the search feature of WindowMaker. In the search feature, you can search for windows, scripts, tags, or symbols. If you have a match, that item will show in the selection below. To open, you can double-click and it will open that item. In this case, the window named Content you can see appears over here on the left too. As well as it's selected here, I have script selected. I'm going to start typing the word day, and you can see there's a day script. If I double-click, it opens up the script editor with the day script showing, or tags that match your criteria, or finally symbols, which is another word for industrial graphics, which match your criteria, and this is using search.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.